Guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, Selin, if you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do it. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and as well hit the notification bell. So with that, you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. And with that being said, thank you. Hey baby girls, how you guys doing? So guys, today I'm coming up to you with this kind of reddish smoking eye makeup ish situation going on my face. I'm feeling the vibe, okay? Basically matte look, okay? Lip is matte, eye is matte, so we call it matte tutorial. So I'm super excited. I'm super excited. I'm all over the place. You know, when mama got a new palette, she's all over the place. She's doing the mouse period. Okay, you can tell me nothing. You can tell me nothing about this tutorial, okay, or this look or whatever you call it, okay? So let me just quickly introduce this palette that is getting my life to another level, that is making me doing the most all over the place. Are you excited to see the palettes? Just take a moment and take a deep breath. Maybe you take a glass of water will do you better. Me showing you, mama showing you, telling you how she feel about the palette. Yes. Anyways, enough of this substance. I'm just so my girl, calm down. Okay, thank you. Anyway guys, today I'm going to be coming up to you with this first impression / review on this Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless palette. Super cute, super duper cute. What are you talking? What we not talking? What are we coming to? Anyway guys, is this palette right here by Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless. Do you want to be forever flawless? Don't sleep on this palette. The only problem, the only critique I have with this palette right here, sometimes it's just so hard to open, but it's okay. We got good. We know, man. Deal with it. The most important thing is inside is calling for attraction. You got me. You know how we do it. Anyway guys, let me just quickly show you inside how it looks like. Super cute, super cute. More matte eyeshadow than shimmer shade, okay? Super beautiful. Like seriously, this eyeshadow that has number, it has a lot of numbers. So yeah, and yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So basically on my lid I have this shade right here called Hot Red, and yeah, with the other shade playing along, our life was just super simple. I'm really loving the way they look tonal too, and I decided to go for kind of classic red lippy, not too vibrant, very chill, super duper classic. And yeah, I'm loving the way they all look turned out. I wasn't expecting the shade to be that pigment, to be that super rich. Okay, let me be honest. Let me speak out the tea. Let me throw out the tea for you baby girls. Are you ready? I love this palette, but I have a huge fallout, okay? Super huge fallout. Same time super pigment. That is the reason why I said I can manage it. Is bearable. And I also love the fact that the packaging is also calling me as a sunset. I don't know, maybe I'm going to be doing a sunset makeup look with this palette. I don't know, but I just love the packaging, the way it looks like. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Super beautiful palette, affordable for beginners, or you want to build up your kits, you want to elevate your kits more, you can always grab this palette right here. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this palette. I'm so excited. I can't wait to create more looks. Reason being, has a lot of matte eyeshadow inside this palette. Yeah, I'm really loving this palette. I love this shade right here called smoke, so maybe I'm going to create a look with that, but for now let's just lie low. Let's just chill around with this smoking red eye look ish tutorial. So wait, you know how we do it, you know how. Anyway guys, enough. I don't want to be too much. If you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this eye look and this lip combo, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. Make sure you grab a cup of water beside you, because you need to drink water so you can think what you're going to comment. Let me know your thoughts. You know how we do it, baby, get period. Anyways, enough of the talking. You know how we do it. All the products I use for my face, on my eye, I'm going to list it down below in case you're curious, you want to know what you're doing. All right, enough of the talking. As always, don't forget to do what makes you happy, what makes you so smile, what makes your teeth whiter. Okay, stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care of it. Ciao. Mwah. Hello my baby girls, how you doing? So let's jump into this game. I'm super duper excited because I know it's going to be fun. Prime my eyelid. When I'm doing too much, doing the most, please let me know, baby girls. Okay, so yeah, until I'm going to be taking the face shape silver brush 110 brush. Go ahead and take my mixed setting powder. I'm just going to set that very tiny bit. Same time, I'm just going to take my beauty blender. I'm just going to apply a little bit of setting powder under my eye because we are working with a very bold color, so we just need to protect that under our eye from any messed up. I'm going to be taking this what's it called? Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless. Are you flawless, baby girl? Let's floss together. I'm going to be taking this shade called Power. This one right here. I'm going to be taking my Magnificent brush. As you can see, this shade or this eyeshadow has pigment, okay? And at the same time, we have fallouts. I notice when the eyeshadow has a fallout, then there are pigment, period. Don't jump around the bush. So let me just start. In case you guys don't know, we are doing a half cut crease, okay? Guys, did you just see that? What I just explained now, what I was taking 2 hours to explain to you, baby girl. I know, mama know what she's talking about. Okay? So, you see the pigment? Oh my days. Brush, what's wrong with you? You just see the pigment right there. You see my crease? You see my crease? Don't joke with the crease. A baby joke, okay? My crease is not a baby joke right now. Oh my days. Yeah, I'm going to be doing the most today. You guys know my vibe, okay? When the eyeshadow is just along the line, she's playing along and she's doing the do for mama. Mama got her problems. Pee. Okay. I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetic brush in number 5. Right here, Vocacy. This shade right here. I'm just going to blow that on my crease as well. Oh my days. You see the pigment? You see the pigment, baby girls? You see the pigment? Anyways. Days. You see the pigment? Oh God. And she's really carrying her name. She's carrying her name like nobody concerned. This shade called Burn. This shade right here. I have this shade on my mind to use, Burn. That is just to intensify beauty for the next shade. Okay, we are going to be using 4 shades on our lid, on our crease today. All right. Kind of it looks dark, but it kind of share on my crease, and which is okay. I'm not mad. I'm super happy. We have a black shade right here, so with that is going to cover the shadiness of the shade called Burn. So yeah, coal, this shade right here, coal, this shade. I'm using the same brush to do that. Wow. Even if it's not coming so much super duper black, but as you can see, with one coat you're good to go. You can smoke out your crease like never before. Okay, and it has a fallout as well. The only shade I know it doesn't have that much fallout is that shade called Burn, the one I used before this black shade right here. That is the only shade I think, and I believe it's not having that much fallout. The fallout is super bearable. So I'm going to be taking this Juvia's Place brush, G111 definer brush, And I'm going to be taking, to blend out my edges, I'm going to be taking this shade. I'm going to be taking this shade called Flame, this shade right here, Flame. I'm just going to be taking, the brush I'm using is kind of fluffy a little bit, and at the same time is flat. So with that, I'm going to get to exactly to my edges. Oh my god, baby girl, check that out. Check the pigment, check the pigment. Oh my god. I'm just going to soften the edges. We don't have any nude matte shade to highlight our brow bone. What should we do? Let me know. Let me know. Anyways, I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It has a little bit of shimmer. Super bearable, not too way overboard. I don't want to use this shade right here, yellow, not at all. And I don't want to use this golden shade. So what to do? I had to pick up this shade. It has a little bit of subtle shimmer to it. It's okay, it's okay. We ain't mad. Don't be carried away with it, okay? And I'm going to be taking this shade called Bon Affair. Bon Affair. This is a French name, Bon Affair. This shade right here. Then go ahead and apply that on my brow bone. Just dab. Just dab. So I'm going to wipe the excess away because I don't want any shimmer on my brow bone. PP. Okay. So yeah, I think we are okay. We are good. We are good. Crease, taking a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan size. So I don't want to mess my crease up. You know what I mean? Know how we do it. So this is how I cut my crease. This is how I cut my crease. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that shade called Vocacy. Vocacy, this shade right here. I'm just going to apply that on my outer corner. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm excited. I want to know. I want to know. I want to know. I want to know. Called Coal, this shade right here. I'm going to be taking this brush called 6 Plus. This brush right here called 6 Plus is what I'm going to use to apply my lid color. So I'm going to be applying this shade called Hot Red today. Oh my, they check this pigment. My god, my god. So I'm just going to start from my outer, just like so. I'm going to be dabbing. That's beautiful, guys. That is cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Liner. So guys, for my waterline, I'm going to be taking this Alverde eyeliner in soft red. Taking this Givenchy lip liner in number 6. It's not coming too red, so I had to use this. This is going to do the job for me perfectly. That one is just too dry, as you can see. Yes. That was Mama 1. In this shade called Vocacy, I'm just going to be applying that on my bottom eye, okay? I'm taking this brush from BH Cosmetic. I'm going to be taking this Catrice Lashes to Kill mascara. Lashes, I'm going to be taking this Shidishangpin Lashes 99 hashtag. This shade right here called Smoke. I'm just going to highlight my inner corner with that. Yes, that's what we're talking. Lips, I'm going to be taking the Essence Lip Liner Soft Contouring and lipstick, I'm going to be taking this matte lipstick. This one is in D for Danga. We are both today. We are both. P. What do you think about my eyeshadow? What do you think about it? Let me know. I'm feeling this look.